Python decorators and classes. Can one write something like this? Fails. Self in itself is unknown. I also tried. Which also fails. Test unknown. I would like to temporarily change some instance variables in the decorator and then run the decorated method before changing them back.
Would something like this do what you need? This avoids the call to self to access the decorator and leaves it hidden in the class namespace as a regular method. Edited to answer question and comments. How to use the hidden decorator in another class. Output.
What you're wanting to do isn't possible. Take, for instance, whether or not the code below looks valid. It, of course, isn't valid since self isn't defined at that point. The same goes for test, as it won't be defined until the class itself is defined, which it's in the process of. I'm showing you this code snippet because this is what your decorator snippet transforms into. So, as you can see, accessing the instance in a decorator like that isn't really possible since decorators are applied during the definition of whatever function/method they are attached to and not during instantiation. If you need class-level access, try this.
This is one way to access and have used self from inside a decorator defined inside the same class. Output, tested on Python 2.7.10. The example above is silly, but it works.
Here's an expansion on Michael Speer's answer to take it a few steps further. An instance method decorator which takes arguments and acts on a function with arguments and a return value. And then,